Hey everybody, and welcome to my crib. I know I always kind of start in this room and don't really show you anything else, so today I'm going to show you my full apartment tour. Make sure that if you are not already subscribed that you go ahead and subscribe and follow me on all social media platforms, because we gotta be on the same page on where we're at in life. So follow me on Instagram, you might see more updates than you see on YouTube. So yeah, follow me on everything. I was kind of nervous about doing this video because I'm like, it's kind of an invasion of personal space and blah blah blah, but you know what, I share so much of my life with you. I'm like, why not show them my apartment? And I'm proud of this because, you know, like 5 years ago I wanted to live here so bad, and now I do, and life's great, and I'm just appreciative. So I'm sharing the glory with you guys. All right, so here we go. I am about to give you a tour of my apartment. I have been wanting to do this for a very long time, but I haven't really found the right time to do it until today. So welcome to my crib. So when you walk in my house, the first thing that you're gonna see is my kitchen and my dining area and my bookshelf. So I'm gonna give you a little more detailed shot of what that looks like. Now I'm sure a lot of you want to see my bedroom. So now I'm gonna take you with me to my bedroom. And here is my bathroom. My lighting quality in my bathroom is horrible, but take a look. I'm gonna take you to my living room. I love this little part I did. Now this room, this is my creative room slash spare bedroom slash Marley's room, my snake slash I do my YouTube videos in here. So a lot of stuff happens in this room, okay? This is a very important room. Then I have, now basically in my old apartment, it was all blue and ocean vibes. That's how my bathroom was. So I just took everything from my spare bathroom and put it into this bathroom. hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. There is a portion of this video that I want to start doing at the end of every video, and I'm going to be giving you the title of the book that I'm currently reading. The title of the book that I'm currently reading is The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. If you are very sensitive and you get offended easily, I don't recommend reading that book. If you have really tough skin and you want to make it in life no matter what, you're not afraid to lose a few friends along the way, then that's the book for you. So it kind of helped me rechannel my energy and reevaluate my life. And you already know I'm getting to highlighting and all that, so I'm going through that book right now. I've already read it in college, but I'm rereading it because sometimes you have to reread stuff, which is funny because I can never watch a movie twice, but I can reread a book a million times. It's weird. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and stay tuned for next video.